You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, the name of this Italian dish, correctly in Italian, and how you can easily say it in English as well, really well, correctly. The Italian pronunciation is as porchetta. Yes, you want to stress on that double T. Double T makes it twice as long. Porchetta is how the Italians say it. In English, porchetta. Porchetta. You stress on the ke syllable. English pronunciation, porchetta. Porchetta. In Italian, porchetta. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.